Very good morning to everyone. For today's Excel training, I will be touching on 5 functions, teach you all on how to use the sum, average, maximum, minimum, and mixed referencing functions in Excel. So basically, you can see that on the first step here. Okay, so you can see that there are the number of sales for different regions. If you want to sum up all this number of sales, it's very simple. Okay, you click on uh, the formula, and then under the function library here, you can go to auto sum, and then you can see that there is a down arrow here. Okay, click on it, and then just click on the sum function. The sum function will actually sum up the four values, and then you just press enter, and then the total values of the four values will be appearing out as the total. Next one, I'll be guiding you on the average. Click on the average tab. Same goes the same thing. Okay, go to formulas, and then under the function library, click on the down arrow of AutoSum. You can see that there's an average function here. Click on it, and then it's the same thing. You can see this that it will highlight the four values here, and then you just press enter. So what it means here is that the average number of sales per region will be 41.75. Basically, it's add up these four values, then divided by 4, you'll be getting this value. The next function I'll be touching on will be on max function. The max function here is that it will state out the maximum value of the number of sales. So basically, goes to the auto sum down arrow key here. You can see that there's a max function here. Just click on it, and then it will actually comes out the C4 to C7, which are the four values for the number of sales. Then you just press enter. You can see that the maximum number of sales would be the number 84. All right. So basically, the max function is to show the maximum number of sales for the four values here. Next, we go to the minimum function, which is the opposite of max. Okay, click on cell C8, and then go to auto sum, click on the down arrow key, and then there is a minimum function here. Just click on it. Okay, as you can see that the four values are highlighted, and it will appear out the minimum number of sales appearing out. So the minimum would be 11. All right. So the last one will be on mixed references. Mixed references here is that in school itself we have our exercise book on behind. So this is actually a multiplication table. So in here itself we need to use the absolute referencing, which will not change when the formula is copied and pasted to another part of your worksheet by putting in the dollar sign. So the formula here is that we can test it out is that we just put equal, okay, cell B, and then put a dollar sign 1, multiply dollar sign A2. Okay, so basically what it does here is that to test out whether the mixed references that we put, whether is it correct or not. Okay, on the bottom right here when the plus sign appears, okay, we drag it out to the here, and then we will check and see whether the output is correct or not. So basically you can see here 1 times 1 will be 1, 2 times 1 will be 2, 3 times 1 will be 3. So after that, from here itself, you put it down until the last cell, and then upon just do a random checking. 3 times 5 will be 15, 6 times 6 will be 36. So it looks like the formula that we put is correct, and then just do a double checking and see. Okay, what the formula does here is that you can see that the dollar sign here is an absolute reference, meaning that the dollar sign 1 here in cell 1, it doesn't move. And then the next one times dollar sign A here means the A value does not sit, that does not move, and then it will fix it. Okay, so there won't be any changes to it. All right, so as you can see that this would be the formula for the cells, and then you just track it on the right first. Then if your one checking is correct, then you just put it down. All right, yeah. I hope that this information is helpful to you in performing your daily Excel works, either in school or at your office while you're working, and hope to provide you people with other videos soon. Thank you very much for watching my current video. Thank you. Bye bye.